In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80073d12. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to check for Windows Update. So try to check if your computer is updated or not. How we can do that at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. At the settings, navigate at the left pane, click on Windows Update. Then click for resume updates or check for updates and try to update your computer to the latest version. This will help you to fix the problem as well as make improvements on your device. In that way, you'd be able to fix it, okay? Another solution that you can do is that you need to run this troubleshooter for Windows Store app. So navigate here at the search bar and type for Windows Store. Then click for find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. And then click on next, and then in that way you can run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Okay, so check if the error has been fixed. Okay, but if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together. In this small window, type for ws reset.exe, click on the OK button. Then you need to wait until this procedure would be finished. This will help you to clear the cache as well as the junk files. In this way, you'll be able to fix it. Okay, now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.